Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn advanced search with Sales Navigator, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the top of your homepage. Locate and click on the Sales Navigator option in the menu. If you do not see it, you may need to upgrade to a Sales Navigator plan. After accessing Sales Navigator, you'll find an option for advanced search on the top of the page. Click on Advanced Search to open the search interface. You can filter search results by multiple categories, including geography, industry, and company size. Begin by selecting the location where you want to find potential leads. You can enter specific cities, states, or countries. Next, choose the industry that best represents your target market. Click on the drop-down menu and select one or multiple industries. Now, focus on the company size filter. Select the range that fits your ideal client profile. Moving on, look for the seniority level filter. This will help you narrow down the roles of the people you want to connect with. Select the appropriate levels, such as manager, director, or C-suite. Next, utilize the keywords section for specific criteria. Input any relevant terms related to the position or industry. Once you've set all your filters, click the search button. Review the filtered results displayed on the screen. If needed, you can adjust your filters further for more precise results. Select profiles that are of interest to you. Take note of their contact information and connect with them. If you want to save searches for future use, click on the Save Search option. Give your search a name and save it for easy access later. You can revisit this saved search anytime through the Sales Navigator dashboard. This method allows you to maximize your networking potential on LinkedIn. With these steps, you'll efficiently restore and utilize your advanced search capabilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.